IFE is the UK's largest gathering of food and drink professionals.
IFE continues to have a good quality of exhibitors here.
If you work in the food and drink industry, you can't not come to IFE.
You can get such a good overview in the show about everything that's happening, not just kind of in plant food, but kind of in the future of the world.
The interesting thing about coming to this exhibition is meeting the people.
For me, the taste of tomorrow is a huge rise in plant-based food.
Well, my taste of tomorrow will be Korean food.
I think the taste of tomorrow is very much around people being aware of what they're eating.
I think the sheer range and diversity of products from the UK is so impressive. I think the IFE team do a great job bringing those kind of companies to the show.